Hello friends, I'm Pavan Gupta and I'm back again with another tutorial, and this is the tutorial of Python, and this is the starting of my Python tutorial series. And what? Okay, this is just the introduction video to Python, and let me show you something. This is the list I have made of the topics in Python that I have covered, that I will cover in this tutorial series. And it is a first tutorial series. We'll look about the introduction to Python video, and after completing this video I will surely jump to this video and so on. And in this tutorial series I will only cover up to, you can say, this regular expressions, and from the introduction to GUI, this will be topic for our next tutorial series, where we will learn Python tutorial for intermediate programmers. This is just a tutorial for beginner programmers. And so let's get started. And wait a minute, I'm slowly going through this list. If you want to note it down, you can surely note it down. I actually have no problem. Okay, so let's start our introduction. So nothing, Python is a general purpose dynamic and object oriented programming language. General purpose means it can be used for developing desktop application, mobile applications, games and web applications and all that things. And object oriented means it also uses classes and objects and topics and concepts of classes and objects, like classes and objects, encapsulation, polymorphism, data abstractions and all that things. Now Python is a language which was developed in February 4, 1991, I guess, by Guido van Rossum. He was the developer of Python, and he developed Python as a general purpose programming language. As I told you, it is a general purpose programming language. So I think this is it for this video, but still one thing is left to be covered in this video, and that is installation of Python. So it's really simple. Actually, I will not show you the whole process. You can just go to Google and then you can write here python.org, and you can download Python from by going, okay, sorry for that, scroll down until you see this downloads and go to all releases, and then you can download Python from here for Windows if you are using Windows, and also you can download Python from here. So from here you can download that. And this is it for this video, and surely meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.